So something that I've built that I'm really proud of, I built a lot of cool projects, cool models, but I think the biggest thing is actually the culture around data access and activation and how it's really easy to get here at Clearbit. And the demand team, the content team, they'll come to me with a fully fleshed out plan. And the question is not, can we do it? It's here's why we're doing it. Here's what's important. So I think that that's really changed how our marketing team thinks about problems, because data itself is accessible. We have the tools, whether it's using Clearbit by itself to activate the data or one of our million other complementary products that work with it, it's possible. And likely they're going to be able to do their ideal solution. One of the ways that we've enhanced data accessibility at Clearbit is just through putting it in the tools that people are actually using. So one really concrete example is taking a ton of event data, consolidating it in ways that Clearbit thinks about it, and putting it in 4 simple fields in Salesforce that anyone can do reports off of. And so for us, that's account engagement scores that use a combination of our reveal data, a combination of our enrichment data, and then a whole bunch of segment events, a whole bunch of email events, a whole bunch of Facebook ad events, all of that type of stuff, consolidating that down to just 4 really simple fields in a tool that everyone has probably used at some point in their life. So I think some of the important questions to ask when we're looking to get people the right data in the right places is really understanding how it's going to be used on an ongoing basis. And a lot of things are exciting to do, but they're not necessarily beneficial. So really understanding how it's going to be used. And most of the times we're thinking at about V6 or V7. And so it's helping boil them back to V1, V2. And I'm definitely guilty of this. I love to build the coolest things, but sometimes it's just about getting the first version out that people can understand and then we can build on. So really, you have to understand why they want to use it and what they're going to do with it. Don't underestimate how important it is to continually improve and check in on the projects that you're doing. So it's really great to get the data there, but if no one's using it, if you're not consistently showing that it's updated or consistently checking in and making sure that the teams that are going to benefit from it are using it, then it doesn't matter that it's there.